Welcome to the new era of rebar installation. The patented Spinmaster system, developed by Steelmaster Engineering of Denmark, is the first of its kind, globally producing non-welded rebar roll mats. Compared to laying welded mesh or loose rebars, roll mats will achieve a reduction of about 60 to 80% in installation time. This is realized by simplified logistics wherein roll mats can be tightly stacked during transport. Handling through easy craning and positioning on site in one piece. Tight spaces? A simple roller is the answer. And laying on site where wiring is drastically reduced to minimal. Rebar roll mats provide great advantages and benefits. Easy wall application. Due to the wire system, roll mats can be used as wall reinforcement without the risk for breaking. Approved for earthquake risk areas. In areas where welded connections are not approved, non-welded roll mats are widely applied. All non-weldable materials are applicable. There are no limits to which bar materials can be used. Besides common black rebar, epoxy-coated rebars, stainless steel, or fiber materials are also suitable. Easy adjustment of bars after rolling out. Rebars are not fully fixed in the roll mat, giving the possibility to freely adjust bars if required. The Spinmaster system brings advancement and technology to your daily construction activities. Containerized solutions are available in every situation, both in 20-foot or 40-foot size. Easily pass through an obstacle by roll, cut, and lift process. Easily pull heavy rolls. Perfect solution for dangerous areas where walking on top of structures is not possible. Simply roll over concrete eels, lattice girders, or 3D chairs. Various types of inner cores are used to make roll mats robust and stackable. Whatever you find suitable, the Spinmaster is sure to deliver. Innovative, reliable, time and cost saving solution. Spinmaster.